Voice call from Kisii and Nyamira.
My name is Musa Imamai Omari. I'm a sub-county police commander at Kisii Central. Last night at about 9 p.m. Our officers received information about drugs which had been stored in a residential place, a private residential house within Nyamatari. The officers went ahead and laid trap, and in the course of their duty, they intercepted, just next to the house, they intercepted one motorcycle rider that was coming out of the residential house that information they had gotten into. So stopping it and interrogating the rider, he was found to be in possession of the cannabis sativa that the officers had received information about.